Hi, this is Bee from Sorcery Soap and Hocus Pocus Crafts and Hi Soap Witches and Magical People. I wanted to jump on and just make a quick video and show you what I was up to. So I'm making these and I'm going to roll them out to face a soap. Let me show you. So it looks like this. So you have a bar of soap and then this is easy to stamp. So also what I wanted to show you is some techniques in soap dough. Okay, so if you see this, it looks pretty pliable, but I know it's noisy, I'm sorry. And then this seems really hard. So some of you know that I offer soap dough and that I've written 5 books on the topic. And so I wanted you to see what I think is beautiful soap dough and why. So there are soap doughs out there that when you see the examples, they're lumpy and they're not smooth and all those things. And it's if you get the quality of it like this, you can mix it even when it gets hard. So this appears hard, but as soon as I break it apart, it starts to be creamy, right? And this is this and this. And this is purple haze right here. Ooh, sorry. This purple haze. And this is neon purple, which I think we should be getting some more neon purple in stock because I mean, not just neon purple, but neons, because I think neons are really great to mix to brighten up a color. So here are the 3 colors. This is neon purple and purple haze mixed to this, but you can use any purple. I'm going to mix this up. I don't let any soap dough go to waste. I use it to the very last, unless I've just forgotten about it and it got so hard that I'm just not interested in mashing it up. But even then, if I was interested in it, I could mash it up. I suppose putting in a food processor and then mashing it would be good. But see, because I do what I do and I like really smooth, beautiful soap, that I really want the creamiest, most resilient. And I've worked for the last 10 years to come up with a product that is the best, and not just in comparison to other people, but that when you touch it and you see it, you go, oh yeah, this is somebody who's done this a couple times. So these 2 colors are almost exact, and I just used 2 pieces. I'm just going to go ahead and mix these up. And also that you don't have to worry about the lumps in your creations. So if you want any particular color on Sorcery Soap, you have to go sign up for Notify Me to let us know, because we read that back office. We get notifications all the time about it, to let us know what you're interested in and what colors you want the most. And we have hundreds, well, I think hundreds. Yeah, we definitely have a handful of really interesting cultivated colors. And the interesting thing that just came up in the group, our Sorcery Creations group the other day, was that people notice that when you use a certain color, it changes the quality of your soap dough. And the reason, there's a lot of ingredients in micas and colorants that affect the soap dough. And we've cultivated and removed all those that change our quality and sourced our favorite suppliers, so you don't have to worry about that if you want a unique or specific color. And if you sign up for Sorcery Create or Sorcery Soap newsletter, you'll get an email just once every Friday to let you know what we have in stock and what we're most, well, like what we have the most of mostly, but you also get a discount. So, and that doesn't mean you don't have to buy a membership or anything. All you have to do is sign up for the newsletter, and be a subscriber, and you get a discount, a custom discount, so that you can use it. Mostly we give discounts for soap dough, so you know, but we also give discounts for a lot of other things. So we're getting ready to stock a lot of soap dough, and I'd really appreciate it if you go and sign up for the colors that you like the most. And so there you go. And then this is what I'm going to roll out. And I'll show you the results of that in another video. Thank you for watching, and I'm really grateful that you're here, and have a great day. So I wanted to show you one more thing, and that is that a lot of people don't know this, that don't work with soap dough, but do offer it, but they just don't understand it. So this is kind of an old piece of soap dough right here, and I just need that color. Then I'm going to take a little bit of moisture on my hands and put it into this and warm it up a bit. So it's pretty hard. You can see I'm working at it. But then look at that. And here's another really interesting thing about soap dough. I think is interesting. Of course, I'm kind of obsessed with it. So if you put a little moisture on it, it starts to be so smooth. The thing is, if you have lumpy soap dough, I don't care how much moisture you put on it, you cannot work those lumps out, not completely. So you really want to start with a beautiful product to begin with. And as weird as it is, I was obsessed with making this. See how it's not sticky? And it's beautiful and smooth. So again, there's a lot of new soap dough or soap people in the world right now, and I just want you to see that I've been obsessed with soap dough for 10 years and working on the most amazing product that you can have a pliable soap like this. So I hope this helps, and there was just a little bit of thing that I wanted to show you. So you see how it's starting to get sticky right now? So if I wipe my hands off and then I do this, it's not sticky, but beautiful. Okay, great. Enough beautiful soap dough. Have a great day. Okay, bye.